All right, everyone, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Today we're out on the creek and we're going to be testing out a new Trout Tickler Tackle item, which is their jerkbait, soft plastic jerkbaits. We're going to be using this cool shad color. We also have some whites. Thought that today would be a good time to try some finesse jerkbait type action. So we're going to be looking for some holes and hopefully catching some nice smallmouth today. So we'll see. If not, we got some other things to try on our way back through the stream. So here in a little bit, let's get fishing. All right. So we got a medium light action spinning rod using our Daiwa Fuego 2500 reel. 10-pound Power Pro braid, 15-pound Seaguar AbrazX leader, and let's start fishing. So, oh shoot, that was a hit already. I don't know how I'm going to do. I don't have a lot of soft plastic jerkbait experience, which is part of the reason why I haven't fished it much. But it's got strikes already. Too excited to walk over this shallow area here. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Ooh. That's no slouch of a fish, guys. Man, he hit it hard, and it's a good fish. Very good fish. Come on, baby, stay on. No slouch of a fish here. He ran over to get it, like he had a trip to take or something. Man, oh my gosh. Come here, baby. Oh, I am glad I came today. That's a football. That's a football. Pretty. Come here. Nice fish. Smoked it. Smoked it. All right, buddy. Thank you for coming. That was pretty fish. Awesome. Okay, let's get this rehooked. I kind of wanted it. I didn't know for sure what to do. There we go. You got something? Another rock bass. Tell for a second that you set the hook on him. He gave up. Let's put that hook right through his mouth. No doubt about it. Big 4-aught owner twist lock. You have a good chance to show the setup. See that twist lock, 4-aught twist lock in there. That's getting the fish pinned pretty dang good. Owner hooks are definitely top notch. Find a bass. There's a lot of good moves in the water. I just right now. Some massive carp movement in front of us possibly. But any moment now, one of them could be a good bass. Oh, fish on. Yes. I was right. A good solid fish. We'll take him. Thank you, bud. Another good one on it. Thanks, buddy. Boy, I'm happy to see you. And happy to catch him on this bait. Something hit it. Not very big. Oh, dang it. That was a good hit. Come back and hit it again. Tell me a one and doneer. Yeah, well, that good bite was just right. Sitting in the deep water again. Minding its own biz. Oh, whoa! This is a big... He's on there. Yes! This is it. This is no joke. A big bass, guys. She's gonna do what she wants for a little bit here. Yes, please be pegged good. This is what we came out for. Stone cold. Smashed it. Come here, big girl. Oh my gosh. I don't know how big it is, but it's a good one. Very good fish. Epic fish. We're measuring this guy if we can get her in. She's still fighting hard. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Oh, she's not coming off. Yes. Now that's a pretty bass right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful coloration on her. Look at that. Let's get a measurement. Quick measurement on her and get her back in the water. 17 for sure. Like 17 and a quarter. Thank you, bud. That's a beautiful bass right there, boys. Yes! With a jerkbait, whether it's hard or soft, I tell you, the one thing you don't really know is just how many times you actually get bit. Because a fish just come up and hit it, drop it, hit it, drop it. And it's like, well, is it a bite? Oh, there we go. Probably a decent sized fish because it's running like crazy. This one again. Not, but pretty fish no matter what. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, we're going to turn around, which means on the way back, we're going to switch baits. So I normally do. So we're going to put Jade's jigs on and go to work on catching some of the more stubborn fish if we can. And go from there. The hard thing is trying not to get it snagged. What's a snag bait means you miss a whole section of hole. This isn't very good. That you could catch. Somehow. Oh, fish on. Whoa. Good fish too. This is a good, whoa. Yes! Boy, this is a good fish, guys. He stopped it cold too. Whoa, yeah. The jig is jigging it. We got it on the jig. All right. Little jades action. Little jades. Thanks, bass. That's a beautiful fish right there. Mucky water and everything. Yes. There's the fish. Missed him. There you go. A rock boss. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Better bassaroonie. Medium-sized fish. Good enough to fight and pull some drag. Yes, I have my drag set loose, but gotta love it. Thank you, fish. Ain't no slouch, I'll tell you that much. Ugh. Thank you, fish. Beautiful job. Thank you. There we go. All right. Solid fish. Got him. All right. That's a solid. Third one on Jade's Jigs on the way back. Thank you, bud. Solid 11, 12 foot long fish. About a pound and a quarter too. Weighed a ton. Really helpful. You don't... Oops. That was a little largemouth that hit that. Oh, I gotta get this junk out of here. Thank you. What is going on now? Got something. Oh boy. This little largemouth wanted this bait so bad. He was chasing around until I gave it to him. Thank you, bud. Pretty fish. Just wanted it. Just wanted it.
Thanks for watching this video. We didn't shoot an outro out in the field because it got pitch black before we got off the creek. It was a beautiful full moon. So we stayed out there as long as we could take it and then headed back to the van. We had a lot of fun trying out Trout Tickler Tackle's soft jerkbaits. They were money. Caught the biggest fish of the trip by far. Really worked well in the water and really paired well with the 4-aught owner twist lock hook setup. Weightless, they were perfect in those shallow waters of a beautiful creek. Looking for smallmouth bass action? Try Trout Tickler Tackle right now. And you can get a discount code for their purchase on the description of this video. On the way back, we tried another one of my favorite go-to baits when you need to finesse fish for smallmouth bass, and that is Jade's Jigs. And they make this great low weight small micro jig. that you can pair up with a Trout Tickler Tackle's 2.5-inch paddle tail from their Panfish Party Packs, and it's just dynamite for catching smallmouth bass. You can get a bite when you've already passed through them with more of an active bait like the jerkbait or a crankbait or a topwater bait. You can always refish the same places with Jades Jigs Polisher micro finesse jigs. So with that, thanks for watching this video. Drop us a comment, pound that like button, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time out on the water. God bless.